Hello, this is Dr. Tony Nalda. I'm going to show you how to actually put your head weight on. So after you have your head weight configured and unpackaged and all the weights placed appropriately, your next step is actually wear the head weight. So your configuration should be roughly like this. You're going to have these two straps crossed this way, and the front of the band actually has padding. This is the part that you're going to put in the front. So what you can do is you're going to unbuckle this, and the idea is you want to get this band as close to your eyebrows as possible. So you see how kind of close it's to the eyebrows. What you do not want to have is it sitting up like this. Okay, that would be inappropriate. So you want to have it real low, just like that, and go ahead and hold that in place. And then the idea is that you want to get this as tight as we can possibly get it to support the weight. So you can see that's kind of nice and secure. And then you can adjust these straps up here on top to kind of be secure in your head. This one seems to be pretty well. And then you want to get your harness afterwards. After this piece is already put on, then you want to get the actual part that carries the weight, and you want to place it on, and you want to have it perfectly centered right over your nose, okay, and just like that. And that would be a proper configuration for the head weight. What you don't want to have, I'm going to unbuckle this a little bit, okay? What you don't want to have is kind of covering your eyes where it's like this, or you don't want to have it off-centered, like, you know, where it's kind of going up or over here in this configuration. You want to try to have it as centered. I'm sorry, I kind of grabbed your book. You want to have it as centered as possible, okay? Also, a mistake that can happen with this is that you use somebody else's weighting system. Make sure that the weights are set up properly. I also do not recommend that you have this already Velcroed on and try to put the harness on with the weight attached to this. It's two pieces to make it go on better, okay? So it goes on very precisely. Very tight to the eyebrows, very precise to the forehead, and then you put this on. If you have this attached while you're putting it on, it's very hard to get tight and set up correctly. That's why we kind of designed this one this way. So that's how you put your head harness on. And the way you would wear this, most cases, is going to work your way up. You're going to start off with 2 or 3 minutes and build up your resistance with this for 10 to 15 minutes. You can even go up to 20. I normally don't recommend you go much past 20, but of course, follow your doctor's prescription in terms of how often you should be doing this. But the most common, like I said, is about 10 minutes, twice a day, every single day.